Outlook can make email management an easier process, having a positive impact on productivity. Configuring your existing Cpanel email account to work with Outlook can be challenging. This video will highlight how you can set up your custom email address within a few easy steps. For Windows users, Outlook should already be provided with your operating system. However, Outlook is free on the Microsoft website. Ensure that you continue watching this video to learn how to use your custom email address. Once Outlook has been installed, it should open. You will be prompted to log into your email account automatically. Enter the email address and password associated with your Cpanel email account. Ensure the domain name is entered correctly. You will then be automatically logged into your email account. From time to time, you may be required to log in manually. If the automatic login fails, you are required to do additional steps to establish a connection. To do this, select the advanced options. Tick the box, "Let me set up my account manually." From here, you may be brought to a page with multiple options from Gmail to IMAP. Select the option IMAP. Then select the option to change your account settings. Outlook will request that you provide your server, port and encryption method for incoming and outgoing mail. The information required can be found under your email account within Cpanel. To find the server and port required, navigate to your web hosting account. Log in using the email address and password provided upon sign up. Within the client dashboard, click the option Services. Select the service that you wish to apply updates to. Within the product dashboard, on the left hand side, you will see a tab called Actions. Select the first option called Cpanel. Navigate to the category Emails. Within this category, select the option Email Accounts. From here, you will be able to view all created email accounts and be able to create new ones if required. Navigate to the email account that you wish to configure with Outlook and select the option to connect devices. Within this page, you can view all the other email clients that are compatible with your Cpanel email address. Scroll down to the bottom for Mail Client Manual Settings. Copy and paste the server and port for incoming and outgoing mail from Cpanel into Outlook. Once done, select the option Connect within Outlook. You should then successfully be logged into your account. You may receive a test email from Outlook to confirm that the connection established was successful. Thank you for watching. For more useful tutorials, check out our other videos.